Hello all. Today I do represents my customer relation management release. CRM is a customized E.T.M, employee training management, software for any company needs. Developed by TechnoHints, a specialized web applications and desktop applications development company. Software main, source, owner Rakan Al-Sharif. Enhanced and developed by Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim Alchemis. Adding new record or modifying old record. User may modify his record in 24 hours. After 24 hours he has to go back to administrator asking him to modify a record. Reports. Now it shows multi-reports. Untaken courses. When tabbing on untaken courses, it shows untaken courses data by course ID. Another shows employees untaken courses data by employee ID. Another shows employees that did not take any course. Attachment uploading to server. For more optimization. When saving an attachment, it's auto-create a folder with the year of uploading. And also auto-create a folder with the month of uploading. And place attachment inside them. Attachment uploading. When uploading an attachment, IT upload it with renaming it. Category case number time random number. For multi-uploading at the same time. Example. Course 121 on time 0131-26-2145081610490690686. Export to Excel. When exporting reports results in Excel, IT downloaded with naming it. By category uploaded year minute a random number. To be sure to find it later very easy. As follow. Courses underscore not underscore data 2021 Jan 12-16104844001.xlsx. Full reports. It shows the amount of data and percentage done by users entry. In daily base. In custom period base. In since starting base. Administration. You may add, remove, or hide user for data entry here. As well as you may see hidden users and enable them again. As slow you may see attendance by first and last record attended. Support internal messages for all users. You may send message to a user. Or send to all. Thanks for watching.